After 20 years of being the head of one of the largest tech companies in the world, Microsoft, now former Surface chief and executive vice president, Panos has announced his exit from the company. Panos, who was in charge of heading Microsoft Surface brand as a part of his role as a chief product officer, confirmed the news via the news post. The news was also announced by Rajesh Jha, Microsoft EVP of Experiences and Devices, through a company's internal memo. Announcement said after 20 years of the company, Panos has decided to leave Microsoft. Panos has made an impact on our products and our culture as well as broader device ecosystem. Under Panos' leadership, the team created the iconic Surface brand with loved products. More recently, as a leader of Windows, the team has brought amazing services and experience to hundreds of millions with Windows 11 on innovative devices, including those from our OEM partners. He will be missed, and I personally very grateful for many contributions. Please join me in wishing him well. It seems like Panos is now shifting to Amazon. Let's see what sort of impact he can have on Amazon now.